Okay, before we get on to adding the metadata, one more thing I'm going to show you is how to add pop-ups and push notifications. Because if you use the forms that they have that come integrated, then you're going to have to pay. So I'm going to show you how you can add your own, and it is very easy to do. First, I'm going to show you how to add the form as a pop-up, and it's the exact same way that you would add it if it were not a pop-up, but if it were a general form or an embedded form. So here we have our subscriber pop-up. This is a free MailChimp account. Just come to sign up forms, and then you have these options and make a subscriber pop-up. And then you can edit the layout and the look and feel of it, and you can make it look how you want. And you have the different options here for design fields, content settings. So let's just choose a basic one like this, just for this example, so you can see what it looks like. Okay, a not creepy at all opt-in page or pop-up form. We'll go to our settings, pop-up delay. Let's have it delay 5 seconds. Maximum width. Actually, let's have it 1 second, so before they can see any of the content, they have to close this, kind of like a welcome gate, and generate our code. Now we take this and we copy it. Go back over to here, and we'll just insert it, this one. Paste it in. Save and exit. Okay, now when someone goes to this page, that pop-up is going to appear for them. Now, if I didn't want to do a pop-up, if I wanted to do a regular subscription form, I do the exact same process, but then the code that I get at the end, I would just paste it wherever I wanted the form to go. So for example, if I wanted the form to go up at the top or in between, right under the header, drag it up, put it there, and then paste the code there. Now that one's the pop-up code, so it's not going to show the opt-in form, but if it was the opt-in form, then it would show the opt-in form. So that's how you use your own forms on your site. You just use the plain text widget and drop your code in. You can also do this to add retargeting codes to your page and audience pixel codes to your page, and you can have them be Google AdWords, Facebook, any of the marketing pay-per-click and search engine marketing platforms out there. You can put their audience pixels and retargeting pixels on your page, and even conversion tracking if you want to track conversions for how many people opted in, and you put the conversion tracking pixel on your thank you page. It's very good idea to put audience pixels on your pages because retargeting people that have already visited your shop is a very effective way of using paid advertising. So it's a very good idea to go ahead and create yourself some Facebook audience pixels and some retargeting pixels. If you're using YouTube marketing on YouTube or AdWords, then throw in some AdWord pixels on there as well. Can never have too many audience pixels, in my opinion. So let's go ahead and take a look at our changes and take a look to see if the pop-up's working fine. So we'll click on our publications button here. Click on go to campaign, and this bottom one is the Facebook one, and this is the web one. This web one, you can get the embed code here, and you can embed this on your website. So you can build a cool little shop in here and then just make a WordPress website, get the embed code, and you've now got your same beautiful shop on your website as your Facebook page. So that's a pretty nifty little thing. You can also get the embed code for your Facebook shop here, and so that will embed the Facebook app. Here are the QR codes for each of them as well. So if you would like to pass around QR codes, and if you're going to be doing some mobile marketing and printed publication marketing for people to use their phone with the QR codes, then you can use that. So let's go ahead and check it out. Our pop-up is right there. I love you. Please give me your information. Okay, I'll subscribe. That seems legit. Close that. So that's how we have our pop-up on there. Don't worry, this is visible to page admin only. Other people won't see it, but other people will see the short stack as long as you're using the free version. So now that I've added that, I'm going to show you how I could also add a push notification. So push notifications are very cool, and you're going to see what they are. I use push connect notify for my push notifications. So I've set up my push notification, then I get my embed code, copy my JavaScript. I could just copy it to clipboard like that. Come back over here, and I'm going to add that one in as well. Save and exit. Publish my changes. Changes published. Now let's go back over here and refresh. Okay, so there's my push notification pop-up. Get all of the latest updates for what is working online. Click allow to get them, and if whoever clicks allow, now you're going to be able to send them push notifications. And push notifications are very cool because whatever browser they're using, your message, your notification will pop up on the screen, whatever website they're browsing on. Doesn't matter if they're on your site or not on your site. So that's how you add push notifications to your store. From my testing, I've found I collect a whole lot more leads using push notifications. So if you aren't using them, you might want to check some push notification services out. I'm very happy with Push Connect Notify. You can check that one out if you want. In the next one, I'm going to show you how to add your links and your image. So when you share the link to your shop, that it's going to show the correct information about your shop. Okay, I'll see you.